how to reorder previous drinks on Starbucks app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to reorder your previous drinks on the Starbucks app so you can enjoy your favorite order with just a few taps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Starbucks app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the orders tab at the bottom of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the order section, it will show you all your recent orders and past favorites. So you can simply scroll down to see a list of your previous drinks and food orders, and Starbucks saves your most recent selection automatically. So you can find the item you want to reorder and tap order again, or just tap the item to review it and customize if needed. You can customize the drink again if you'd like, or tap add to order and proceed to checkout like normal. But for quick access for your top drinks, you can also save them to favorites, and after that you can just tap the heart icon when ordering, and that's it. Reordering on the Starbucks app is super easy and fast. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.